Hello everyone, welcome to the Man Channel. I'm Garrett Brown. Today's project of the day is a 2016 Suburban. It's got a pretty big nasty dent in this door right here. We have to repair it. That's what the customer wants. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. Man, this thing was just really on there. There we go. Now what I'm doing, some people probably wouldn't agree with me. That's okay. Time to try to straighten this door. Let's get to it. finished my repair in 220. Now I'm fixing to go with some 320 and hit all of this to get my 220 scratches out. And it's ready for primer. I got my door and primer, and I'm fixing to sand it with 320. Let's see how straight it is. I got the door ready to paint. I blocked it with 320. Then I went over it with 400 on a DA. Then I went over it with 600 with the DA. I'm not planning on sealing this. I'm planning on basting right over the top of this primer. So I got rid of all my 400 grit scratches, 320 grit scratches, and that leaves me with 600. I finished all of this from here up with 800. I started with the red Scotch Brite on my edges, all back here, door handles, moldings. Started all with the red, but I finished them with the gray. I'm not R9 anything. All this stuff is staying, unfortunately. It is what it is. Everything taped off, as you can tell. I ended up R9 the door handle. I already had the door trim panel off, so Oh no man, went on ahead and decided to take it out. Everything else I left. Now all I have left to do is to tag rag it, start painting. I've already grease pressure removed it. I forgot to get that on film, but it's alright. Well, I believe that's a wrap for the man channel on this job. 2016 Suburban. You saw me fix the front passenger door. I guess it's on to the next one.